Did you know that a single platform could revolutionize how we interact with AI? Today, we're diving deep into Google AI Studio, a tool that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible with artificial intelligence. Buckle up, because you've never seen anything like this before. Welcome back to Innovate Matrix. I'm thrilled you're joining me today because we're about to explore a game-changing tool that could reshape your AI projects. Google AI Studio is here. And trust me, this is a big deal. So, let's get into it and find out why. Have you ever wondered how AI models are built and trained? Google AI Studio is designed to simplify that process, making powerful AI accessible to everyone, from hobbyists to industry experts. Google AI Studio isn't just another AI tool. It's a comprehensive platform that streamlines the development of custom AI models. Whether you're working on machine learning, deep learning, or data analytics, this tool has something for you. Let's start with the basics. Google AI Studio offers an intuitive interface that lets you build, train, and deploy AI models with ease. First up, the Model Builder. This feature allows you to design custom models tailored to your specific needs. But what sets it apart? It's the ease of use. No need to be a coding expert. You can drag and drop components to create sophisticated models in minutes. Is it possible to build a complex AI model without extensive coding knowledge? With Google AI Studio, absolutely. The platform's drag and drop functionality makes it accessible for everyone. Next, we have the training module. This is where the magic happens. You can train your models on high-quality datasets provided by Google or upload your own. And here's a pro tip. 3 things I do before starting any training are cleaning my data, selecting the right algorithm, and setting realistic goals. This helps in achieving optimal results. Why is training so critical? It's the process that fine-tunes your model, ensuring it performs accurately. Google AI Studio simplifies this with advanced tools and real-time feedback. Now, let's talk about deployment. Once your model is trained, deploying it to production is seamless. Google AI Studio integrates with various platforms, making it easy to implement your AI solution wherever you need it. Do's and don'ts when deploying your AI model. Do ensure that your model is thoroughly tested and validated before going live. Don't forget to monitor its performance regularly to catch any issues early. Here's something you might not expect. Google AI Studio also provides a range of pre-built models that you can use and customize. This means you don't always have to start from scratch. Try this to save time and leverage existing innovations for your projects. The difference lies in its user-friendly design and comprehensive support. With traditional tools, you often face steep learning curves and technical hurdles. Google AI Studio aims to change that narrative. To wrap things up, Google AI Studio is more than just a tool. It's a platform that empowers you to bring your AI ideas to life with ease and efficiency. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this tool has the potential to enhance your projects and streamline your workflow. Why'd never do this without Google AI Studio? It's simple. The platform's efficiency, flexibility, and user-friendliness make it an indispensable tool for anyone serious about AI. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the latest in AI and digital marketing. Got any questions about Google AI Studio? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from Innovate Matrix. See you next time.